Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to install Node in Hostinger. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, log into your Hostinger H panel. Once you're in, locate the VPS option from the main dashboard and click on it. Here you'll see your KVM VPS section. Just click on Get Now. Next, choose your server location from the list. After selecting the location, click on Next. Here, click on Application. You'll now see several options. Go to search bar and search Open Lightspeed and Node.js. Simply click on Select next to Node.js and then click Next. Now create a root password for your VPS and click on Next. Here, if you wish to add any extra features or tools, you can do so here, but they are paid. Once you're done, click on Next. In the next step, choose your VPS plan. I recommend going with the KVM2 plan, which is the most popular and provides solid performance for Node.js applications. After selecting it, choose the time duration for your hosting, monthly, yearly, or as per your preference. Finally, select your payment method and complete the purchase. Once payment is confirmed, your VPS hosting will be automatically set up with Node.js installed on it. And that's it. So that is how you can install Node in Hostinger. So that's all for this video. Thanks.